Welcome to our 20 million views special, unbelievable and amazing facts that will leave you speechless. We're celebrating a huge milestone today, 20 million views, and it's all thanks to you. To mark this occasion, we've curated a collection of facts so astonishing they'll leave you dumbfounded. Expect to be amazed, intrigued, and perhaps even a bit bewildered as we journey through these incredible truths. So, are you ready to have your mind blown? Let's dive right in. First up, did you know that an octopus has 3 hearts? Yes, you heard that right, 3 hearts pumping away in one creature. Now let's dive a little deeper into this fascinating fact. 2 of these hearts work exclusively to move blood beyond the animal's gills, a process that might seem a tad alien to us humans. But in the world of the octopus, it's just another day under the sea. The 3rd heart, however, has a job we're more familiar with. It sends blood coursing through the rest of the body, supplying oxygen to every corner. When the octopus swims, this 3rd heart actually stops beating, which explains why these creatures prefer to crawl rather than swim. It's less exhausting. The animal kingdom never ceases to amaze, does it? Providing a treasure trove of unbelievable facts that leave us in awe. Amazing, isn't it? But hang on, we're just getting started. Moving on, have you ever wondered how much data the human brain can store? Well, brace yourselves. Scientists estimate that the human brain has an astonishing storage capacity of approximately 2.5 petabytes. That's right, petabytes! Now, if you're wondering what a petabyte is, let me put it into perspective for you. 1 petabyte is equivalent to 1,000,000 gigabytes. So, when we say our brain can store 2.5 petabytes, we're essentially saying it can hold around 2.5 million gigabytes of information. To give you a more relatable comparison, the average computer has a storage capacity of about 1 terabyte, which is 1,000 times less than a petabyte. So, in essence, your brain can hold the equivalent of around 2,500 computers worth of data. Imagine all the things you could remember with that capacity. But wait, there's more. Now, did you know that a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus? Sounds absurd, right? But it's absolutely true. Let's dive into this celestial conundrum a bit more. Venus, our neighboring planet, has a very peculiar way of doing things. It rotates on its axis extremely slowly, taking approximately 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. This is what we call a day on Venus. On the flip side, Venus orbits around the Sun much faster. It takes Venus about 225 Earth days to complete one orbit. This is known as a year on Venus. So in essence, a single day on Venus is longer than an entire year on Venus. It's like waking up, having breakfast, and then having your birthday party all in the same day. Space is truly a place full of wonders. But let's move on to our final mind-boggling fact. Lastly, have you ever heard that honey never spoils? Yes, you heard it right. Honey, the sweet, sticky substance that bees produce, has an eternal shelf life. Well, how is this possible, you may ask? The secret lies in its unique composition. Honey is a natural product that has low moisture content. This lack of water makes it a poor environment for bacteria and microorganisms to thrive. They simply can't survive in there. Honey is also naturally acidic, with a pH level that usually falls between 3 and 4.5. This acidic environment is another deterrent for bacteria, making it difficult for any spoiling agents to survive. But that's not all. Honey also contains an enzyme called glucose oxidase. This enzyme, when mixed with water, produces hydrogen peroxide, a compound known for its antibacterial properties. So even if some brave bacteria did manage to survive the low moisture and high acidity, they would be destroyed by the hydrogen peroxide. With all these factors combined, it's no wonder that honey doesn't spoil. It's like a natural preservative all on its own. Isn't that something? So which fact amazed you the most? We're curious to know. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And before we sign off, let us express our heartfelt gratitude for your continued support. Thank you once again for helping us reach 20 million views.